Hi, this is Rob with my Ryobi. This is a video I probably should have made a few months ago, but I decided to just kind of relax a little bit and calm down. I helped Jesse do a battery swap on his mower. That went well, except it wouldn't start after the battery swap. The only way to start it was to, I believe, um, plug the battery charger in and unplug it, and then it would start. He had a sequence that he used. So if you do the battery swap and you have an issue with the mower starting when you turn the key on, what will happen is normally when you turn the key on, you hear that click, one click. If you turn it on, you hear two clicks. That means the main solenoid in here, and we'll show you a picture of that, but that means the solenoid engaged and then it immediately disengaged. And apparently, according to a gentleman on Facebook, Greg Handley, what happens is there's a current surge, and the battery BMS doesn't like that. So the battery actually shuts off, not the mower. And so it sees that initial surge, he says, of about 500 amps for just a millisecond. And that bothers the battery BMS, and the BMS shuts the battery or batteries down. So what you have to do is he designed a PRECHARGE, which basically reduces the current flow for the first few seconds with a combination of a couple of relays and a resistor, and it reduces the current for a few seconds so that the capacitors in the motor controllers, which are in the front panel here, there's 3 of them in there, so that the capacitors in that circuit can get charged up without bothering the BMS. And then as soon as the capacitors are charged up after 3 to 5 seconds, then you'll hear the click from the solenoid, and it'll only be one click. And that means that it's working and your mower should work fine. This doesn't affect all the mowers, and if Greg is right, it's only caused by certain batteries. Jesse has a different brand of battery than I have. Apparently his is sensitive and mine was not. Greg also believes that if you don't have the PRECHARGE circuit to slow down the current, that it could be doing damage to your capacitors anyway, and it's probably a good idea to have the PRECHARGE circuit on your mower. I haven't put it on my mower, and I've been mowing now for about 2 years with these batteries, and I haven't taken out any of my controllers. And the controllers, if they're going to still be available, they are pretty expensive, but I'm going to roll the dice and see what happens. So this video is going to show Jesse and I installing the PRECHARGE circuit on his mower. He has a 75, and he updated it with the 100 amp hour batteries. And here's Jesse, just so you know who he is.
And how long have you had yours? How long
This will be my 3rd season, but the battery started going last season, so it took me 2 days to mow. I had to do 1 day in the front, 1 day in the back.
Yeah.
Now it's about 3 days.
Exactly. Welcome to the party.
Yeah, right.
Yep, good idea. All right, let's get this thing off of here. Yeah, we gotta get in there. Unplug the battery.
I think we picked the hottest days to work on this.
I know. Back here. Oh, there's one more? Yep. All right, so you send a nice little picture with it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Okay, so you can, the wires that you hook up to the solenoid, you really can't mess them up. But the only wire that actually gets removed is going to be this one here. And it'll be stuck in here. The other 3 wires will stay where they're at. We just add 4 wires to them. I think he said it's a 13, and it is a 13. $7mm socket, that works.
The green and black go on this side. Washer and a lock washer. And then red and blue go on this side. Whoops. Let's keep that one on there. And once again, we took this wire off of here, and that's going to get connected to this white wire. Snug these up. Oh, there we go. It does snap in. I think at this point we can just try it. Let's plug the battery back in. Key on. Solenoid click. It's good to go. Cool. That's not too bad, if that's true. Click. And power's still on?
Yep.
Good. All right. Oh, that's good electrical tape. Okay. Nope, do it for wires facing down. Yeah.
Down? Okay.
Yep. Press and wiggle, and it should do it. All right.
All right. Awesome. Still turns on.
All right, let's see if it moves. Go park it where it belongs.
And so there's Jesse driving off into the distance. That I did talk to him several weeks later, and it's been working fine. So he's pretty pleased with the way the pre-charge circuit worked out. Greg does sell two different versions of the pre-charge circuit. You'll have to talk to him about it or text him or whatever. And he has developed a second version of his pre-charge circuit that's a little bit more expensive, but it's a little fancier too. So get in touch with him. Go to his Facebook page. Get a hold of him and see what he's got to offer to you. Thanks for watching.